Hey, what's happening, folks? Mike here from Long Island Shaving. Welcome back to the Shave Den. Thank you for joining me this evening. Hope everyone is doing well. I know it's been a little while since I shot my last video. Took a little time off after the holidays, and I hope each and every one of you had an amazing holiday with your family and a happy and healthy new year ahead. But I'm real excited to share with you guys a brand new release from Leaf Razors. I've been in contact with Leaf Razors. I've done some reviews from them, as you guys may have seen on this channel before. And in conversations with Laura over at Leaf, she had asked me if I would be open to experiencing and sharing a new product that Leaf Razors will be showcasing on January 22nd. So if you're watching this now, I've been officially given the green light to share this with you. Today is January 6th. And I have not had an opportunity to unbox this new razor that you guys may have seen some teasers on their social media page on Instagram and Facebook, kind of putting some teasers out of what the new Leaf Razor will be. Obviously not sharing it, but kind of getting you guys motivated and getting my curiosity up as well. I personally think their marketing campaign so far, from what I've seen, and it's only been like a few days in so far, has been pretty good and pretty fun to watch. I know Adam and his team have been doing an amazing job. So long and short, there has been a revision. They're retiring their original Leaf Razor, and there's going to be a new one that's going to be launching on January 22nd called the Leaf 2. Now, for full transparency, this razor was sent to me for review purposes and to get my initial thoughts and opinions on. But this new Leaf 2 razor has been in development, it's my understanding, for the last 4 years. So they're always kind of looking to innovate and come up with new razors and new options for traditional wet shavers. And they thought it was time to retire the original Leaf Razor and bring you guys what's now going to be called the Leaf 2 razor. Also, I have not seen this razor in my communication with Leaf. I have not been kind of sent, this is what it's going to look like. We're just going to send it out to you, and we just would like to get your thoughts on it. So I'm going to be sharing this with you. This is going to be my official unboxing. It's a pretty big box here. It's got some pretty decent weight in here. So I have no idea what's in store for me or what's inside. But I'm real excited, and I'm not going to shave with it today. I am going to spend some time with this over the next, kind of glad that it was sent to me a little early. So this way I can spend some time with it and then showcase it and share on the channel. So without further ado, let's get right into it, and let's get right into this unboxing. So I'm going to go ahead and break the seal on the bottom, and let's see what we're working with here. And but I am pretty excited about this. And the teaser videos have been a lot of fun, and I've chimed in here and there. So Adam and their team have really been doing a great job kind of getting our curiosity up, not knowing what to expect. So that's that. So let's go ahead, open up the box, and then I'm going to share with you guys. I'll try to show you what it looks like before I even see it. Oh, wow. So it's a pretty big box. Obviously, it looks like the razor's in the center of that box, and there's some wording here. You can pause the screen if you want to read that through, but I'll read it back. It says, "Too good to be true. Introducing the Leaf 2 razor, our smoothest shave yet. Clean up your shave with 2 individually guarded blades." So it's a 2-blade razor with a pivoting head designed for an effortlessly smooth skin. The world's most advanced safety razor. No plastic, no undesirable chemicals, no learning curve, just results. Your new go-to. So let me go ahead and pull this out here. So there's the razor. I'm just going to put this aside. I'm not sure if there's anything else in here. No. So now I'm just going to kind of set this aside here. Man, I'm actually really looking forward to seeing... dropped it on the floor. All right, so let's get right into it. This is what the box looks like here. So obviously a barcode in the bottom. There's a 3D barcode there, which scan for getting started instructions. So if you want to get started, learn how to use this, maybe I will click that later on. And let's go ahead and open up the box. All right, so we got that there. Something already covered, keeping the suspense going here. I like that. Leaf 2 razor, shaving is skincare. First metal razor. Take your time. There's just some instructions here. Thank you for using Leaf Shave. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to support@leafshave.com. Customer service has always been excellent. I can attest to that. Whenever I've ever had any issues or questions, they've always been extremely helpful. Take your time. Do not press hard to get a close shave. Just let the weight of the razor do the work. So you can pause the screen if you guys want to read that back. All right, let's see what the razor looks like. Let's pull this off. And there we go. You guys are getting the first look just like I am. I'm kind of watching it back on the camera. Looks like it's got some pretty good weight. So I'm just pulling it out here. Let me put this down. So this is what the new Leaf 2 razor looks like. I really like the chrome finish. Really nice grip. Very substantial in the hand. Got some really good weight. It seems like it's built really well. So top quality. I really like the presentation of this package so far. There is the pivoting head. So I'm just going to show you guys that there. So this is a 2-blade system. Let's see how we open this. I don't know if it's magnetic. I'm trying to do this on camera so you guys can see. This is why you need to click and read instructions, which I'm not going to do. I never read instructions, so we're in this together. Let's figure this out. Oh, there's a button here. Okay, I just pushed it as I'm trying to figure this out. So on the back here, there's a button you can push, which I'll show you guys right here, right there. And if you push it down, the door is open. So there you go. That's how you open it. So right on the back here, you push it down, and that releases the doors. All right, so now you have one area where you will load the first blade in, and then the second blade, you move this up there, just like the original one. So blade number 2, blade number 1, you load it in, and you snap it closed. Pretty cool. Man, I'm actually looking forward to, I may actually shave with this tonight. But I can't tell you what I think until the 22nd. So today's the 6th. I'm going to spend some time with this. But thank you to Laura and Adam for sending this to the channel. Really do appreciate it. And I'm real excited to be able to share this with you guys. And I'm happy. I know they've been in, I think Leaf Shave has been in business for 8 or 9 years now. So this has been in development for 4 years. And they're always looking to improve their offerings, which I can always appreciate. So just to show you guys again what it looks like here. Got the Leaf logo on the handle there. I really like the way it feels in the hand. Again, it's got some pretty good weight to it. I don't know the exact weight, but I will look it up and I'll report back when I do my official review. I like the release mechanism for loading the blades. Let's see what else is in the box now. Let's put this aside here. All right, let me open the box here, put that aside. So this is what it looks. I'm thinking you guys are seeing what I'm seeing. So there we go. You got an official stand, which is pretty cool. Let's pull the stand out. Well, it also is pretty substantial. Really got some really nice weight to it. Just drop the box on the floor. So there you go. There's the official stand for the razor. The Leaf logo there. There you go. So that's pretty cool. I'm going to set that back on the shelf at some. Got some single edge blades. There's a 50-pack of blades that's also in the box. And then a silicone insert, which is obviously convenient. My wife has used the Leaf razor. And if you're in the shower and you have soap on your hands, this silicone insert that goes on to the handle is very helpful and convenient. So this way this doesn't slip out of your hand while using it. So that's pretty cool that they include that. And then there's a blade bank that fell out as well, which you guys I'm sure are familiar with, where you can dispose of your used blades. So that's it, guys. That's what's inside the box. Man, I'm really looking forward to this. I am going to shave with it tonight. And the plan here, guys, is to shave with this exclusively for the next 2 weeks. And try to experience it and familiarize myself with the shave. So this way, when I do share it on the channel, I can give my thoughts to it. But so far, I do like what I see. So this is the new Leaf 2, guys. So it's going to be available again, as I mentioned, on June 22nd. So be on the lookout. I'm sure there's going to be some additional teaser videos being sent out during the course of the month. But if you're watching this now, that means that this razor is now officially released. Not sure of the different colors that are going to be available, but I'm sure it's going to be consistent with what their lineup currently offers now. So there's going to be a black. This is the chrome finish, which I'm actually like that they sent me the chrome. I never had a chrome leaf razor before, so that's pretty cool. But thank you again to Laura. I know she had reached out to me, and thank you for considering me. And thank you, Adam, as well, for allowing me to be part of this special launch for you guys. I know it's an exciting time for the company. And I always like trying new stuff. And what makes this exciting is that I didn't know what it looked like until right now. So I was able to be surprised to some degree as well. And see it for the first time as you guys are watching this back right now. All right, so with that, thank you again to Leaf and Adam and Laura for sending this to the channel. Looking forward to sharing it. And hope to see you guys on the channel real soon. And I'll give you guys my thoughts on this new release from Leaf Razors. So with that, you guys enjoy the rest of your evening. And I'll see you guys next time in the Shave Den. Take care now. Bye-bye.